Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're going to install iOS 14 on my XS Max. From XS Max into the jailbreak. Oh my god, iOS 14. 15 takes over jailbreak. It's iOS 14. I'll show you how to install free iOS 14 on this XS Max on any iPhone from SE1 first generation above, like 6S, 6S Plus, 7, 7 Plus, 8, 8 Plus, XS Max, XS, XR, 11 Pro, 11 Pro Max. I show every phone you can do that. Now which phone I just took the name, you can do that. It will be a free, no need to pay $100 for per month for the app developer beta or something like that. You also be all for free, but there will be one big risk. Your phone might be in a infinite boot loop. This is my secondary device. It might also become, right now during this video, it might also become an infinity boot loop. I'm not sure. But my 11 Pro Max is running iOS 14 free. You can see it's all free. I didn't pay anything. App developer, I just take also App Store clips. That's all. I did not pay anything. So yeah. By the way, there will be a translation app on this thing. I deleted that because I thought that I installed it. Now I cannot find it. I'm stupid. I know that. So let's go ahead and install jailbreak iOS 14. So I'll leave it link down below to this website. So first you have to go to beta profiles. So brand new phone, beta profile. You see this download beta profiles. You'll come into this. You can see iOS and iPadOS 14, watchOS 7, which I'm running on my Apple Watch. Then tvOS 14, and yeah, and the Big Sur. Okay, so this is the beta one, new. Just hit download. It'll just show this. Then allow. Okay. Then go to your settings, which is here. You'll just see this pop-up called profile download aid, and just tap install. Put your password. I'll just put my password. Oh my god, my camera just failed. Now the position sucks. Yeah, so after putting on the password, this will just pop up. I'll just adjust the camera 1 minute. Yeah, so this will just pop up, and you hit this show you hit install. You have to put the password. I just went back. Okay, this will just come as built or whatever, so you can read this if you want. Install. Now done. Then you'll just go to your software updates. You'll see iPhone developer beta. Just put my password. So putting my password, I will say download install. We'll just download. It will take a while. You can see now it's going to download. Time remaining, it will show in a bit. It'll take a long while. Yeah, 18 minutes. So whenever this is processing, I will meet you then. So guys, sorry for the background news. Somebody is doing donuts down. So I'll just install iOS 14 now. Click install. It's verify and update. This will take a little bit process. I was waiting here the whole time, just seeing my phone. And guys, I have one issue to tell you guys. I'm getting bot follows every day now. I don't do these follows. All my follows are legit. You can see I have 675. It drops when it wants to drop. It does whatever it wants to do. So I'm getting a lot of bot followers on my other account, which is this, my photograph account. I just got a bot follower who was then I want to get edited photos and something like that. I told them no, because I don't do, see, black kid. This is all like all things. Just a bogus account. It's bought. I have a lot of bot accounts for some reason. So I don't know why. You might also get bought. Everybody is getting bought. In some famous YouTuber called YPM Vlogs is getting bought. Surya Nash Vlog is getting bought. SRV Vlogs, I think so. No, College Party is getting bought. Many of the YouTubers are getting bought for some reason. So guys, yeah, I'll check later. I don't know why the screen is turned off. We'll see later. Guys, you saw the time lapse and was hopefully was good. Now it's been updated to iOS 14. It did not get bricked. Thank God it didn't get bricked. If it did, I would have died. So here's iOS 14. Yeah, this is the thing I'm talking. This is app library. This is what I use the most. This is app translate, Apple's translate. Love it. Actually, a hidden feature. For that, I need to remove my phone out of the cover because my cover is too large. Anyways, you make too large of the covers. I'll just clean the phone once. What I hate about the XS Max more is the stainless steel body gets so many fingerprints. So now this is my 11 Pro Max. 11 Pro. So my XS Max just updated to iOS 14. Go to your general. Go to your accessibilities. Now where's the accessibilities? Here's go touch. Go to back tap. I'll just put app switcher and triple click lock screen. So now I'll tap here. Wait, I'll have to on the iPhone for that. Tap here 3 times. Off. So when it's off, it's off. That means it's off. So just double tap. Allow. See, double tap. Okay, I did triple taps. See, app switcher. I can remove. By the way, when you suddenly touch down, it gets off. That's the most hated feature about this. So thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, I think for the next video I'm planning out. Hopefully everybody likes it. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you next time.